Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make lazy cabbage rolls. Sauté onion and garlic until soft, then mix with cooked rice, ground meat, tomato sauce, and seasonings. Spoon filling onto blanched leaves, roll and place in a snug baking dish. Pour extra sauce over the rolls, cover tightly with foil, and bake at 375 degrees F for about 45 minutes until bubbling and tender. Serve with sour cream or plain yogurt. I'll share simple filling tips that make lazy cabbage rolls fail-proof and flavorful. Brown the meat well for depth, then cool briefly before mixing with rice so it does not turn mushy. Season generously and taste the mix, adjusting salt and acid as needed. If the mixture seems loose, stir in 1 beaten egg to bind. Keep flavors balanced so the cabbage stays the star and each roll holds its shape. If you're enjoying this lazy cabbage rolls tutorial, please subscribe and like to support more simple meals. Quick recommendation. A book called The Simple Path to Wealth is an easy read that can change how you think about money, and it pairs nicely with kitchen projects that save time and stress. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. For baking, choose a saucy, slightly thin tomato base so steam can circulate and soften the cabbage. Layer a spoonful of sauce in the pan before arranging rolls, then pour remaining sauce evenly over them. Cover tightly with foil to trap steam, baking until tender and bubbling. Remove foil near the end so sauce reduces and edges brown slightly. Let rest briefly so juices redistribute before serving for best texture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.